Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying requirements and opening the Features panel. First, confirm Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education and build 18305 or later, because Sandbox depends on Hyper-V. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and enable virtualization, Intel VTX or AMD-V, otherwise Sandbox won't initialize. Once done, sign back in and open Start. Type Turn Windows Features on or off. Right-click and Run as administrator so you can enable the necessary features in the next step. You are now in the Windows Features dialog. Check Windows Sandbox, Hyper-V, and Virtual Machine Platform because Sandbox requires those components. Click OK to install. Windows will apply changes and prompt for a restart. Accept it so the hypervisor components properly initialize. After reboot, open services and confirm Hyper-V host compute service is running and set to automatic, since that provides the container runtime for Sandbox. If it's not running, start it and then move on to launching Sandbox itself. You can now launch Windows Sandbox from start. It will create a temporary, clean desktop where you can test apps without risk. Drag or copy files into the Sandbox session, test what you need, and remember that everything is discarded when you close it. That's the safety benefit. If Sandbox won't start, make sure virtualization is still enabled in BIOS/UEFI and confirm Hyper-V services are running. If problems persist, run sfc/scano and check Windows Update for missing platform patches before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.